उनकी महक ने दिल के गुलचे खिला दिए हैं। उनकी महक ने दिल के गुलचे खिला दिए हैं। जिस राह चल गए हैं, हाँ जिस राह चल गए हैं, कोचे बसा दिए हैं। जिस राह चल गए हैं।
सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह। उनकी महक ने दिल के गुंचे खिला दिए हैं। जिस राह चल गए हैं, कूचे बसा दिए हैं। What a beautiful naat. MashaAllah, what a beautiful couplet. Once again, Sayyidi Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had composed. Ala Hazrat ne to kamal hi kar diya, MashaAllah. Every naat, every couplet, every share, every stanza, every line, every word. So Subhanallah, everything is unique, everything is special and amazing about Sayyidi Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And here once again he has penned a very beautiful couplet. उनकी महक ने दिल के गुंचे खिला दिए हैं। जिस राह चल गए हैं, कूचे बसा दिए हैं। Subhanallah. In other words, Sayyidi Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is saying, and this is the translation of this couplet, he says, his fragrance has caused the bud of my heart to blossom. Unki mahak, the word mahak in Urdu means the fragrance, to smell, fragrance, beautiful smell that emanates. So he says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, my heart used to have a kali, a bud, Allahu Akbar, but which was closed. It was closed. But your fragrance has caused the buds of my heart to blossom. And what is your barakat, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? In the second stanza he says, जिस राह चल गए हैं, कूचे बसा दिए हैं. Whichever road, whichever path, whichever direction, jahan se bhi, from whichever way my beloved Master sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has traveled, he has brought it back to life. Subhanallah, subhanallah. He has brought life to that place. Subhanallah. Dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, it must be understood, subhanallah, that this is the shan, this is the status of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, that from his blessed body, beautiful, soft itr, smell that used to emanate from his blessed body. Subhanallah. To this extent, that the Sahaba Ikram have mentioned that when we used to look for the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, at times, we never need to ask any Sahabi, we never need to ask anybody, कि क्या आपने सरकार को देखा है? क्या आपने सरकार को देखा है? Have you seen Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Have you seen where did he go? No. They said that rather we used to smell the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Wherever we searched for him, when we looked for him, we used to smell, because why? Whichever direction, whichever path my Aqa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam used to walk and used to pass by, that entire gali, that entire area used to become fragrant. Subhanallah. Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is speaking about the fragrance, about the khushbu of Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Subhanallah. Sahaba Ikram farmate to hain. Sahaba Ikram mentioned in Bukhari Sharif, in Muslim Sharif it is mentioned, Sahaba Ikram mentioned that there was nothing more soft, delicate, naram, soft than the palms of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. If Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam makes musafaha, he shakes or he touches anyone's hands once, subhanallah, his hand would smell for days. Allahu Akbar. Khushbu will be emanating, smell and fragrance would be emanating from his hands, better than even musk that we call, or mushk in the language of Urdu. Allahu Akbar. Better than ambar, which is a very expensive perfume, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel. Likewise, Sahaba Ikram mentioned that this is the personality of Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Allahu Akbar. Whoever he sees, jis raah chal gaye, kooche basa diye. If he has passed a place where people are crying, where people are sad, log ro rahe hain, mere Aqa ke muskurahat se murde dil khush ho jate the. Allahu Akbar. If they are crying, if they are saddened, even the dead hearts would come back to life. They would start to smile, looking at the smile of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Likewise, there are many, many ahadith, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel. Whatever sorrow, whatever problem, whatever difficulty it could be, after looking at the Mubarak Chehra, after looking at the fragrant face and the body of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, one would forget all his problems. Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, Unki mahak ne dil ke gunche khila diye hai. جس راہ چل گئے ہیں کوچے بسا دیے.
ان کی مہک نے دل کے غنچے کھلا دیے ہیں. ان کی مہک نے دل کے غنچے جس راہ چل گئے ہاں جس راہ چل گئے کوچے بسا